Hi all, this is Richard from the School of Nomads. In today's video I want to go through faster color changes in smart landing pages. So I use a page builder called Thrive Architect, and in Thrive Architect there's a number of features that allow me to change the colors on my landing pages a lot quicker, and it's saving me a lot of time. So I thought I'd go through it with you today and kind of show you, and hopefully you can get some benefit from it yourself. So let's jump over to Thrive Architect. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like if you find this video useful. And if you want to know how you can make some money online by making these small, short tutorial videos, check out the link in our description below. So I'm over to Thrive Architect, and one of the things that you'll find is that there's some new smart landing pages, and in these landing pages there's additional features which you don't get in some of the legacy ones. So one of them is the easier color management. You can get group editing and global fields, and these are topics that I'll discuss in later videos, but today we're going to look at the easy color management. So these ones at the top of the section, these are the newer landing pages, and of course at the bottom you've got all the legacy ones. So I'm just going to pick the first one of the newer ones to look at. So the way the smart landing pages work is that all of those elements that you would have had to build yourself obviously are already included now. So you have text elements, you've got buttons here, you've got images here, and then the layout is designed depending on what design of smart page you actually want to see. So one thing here is this color here, it's like a cream and a brown color. If that's not something that I think is good for me, I can come to this paintbrush here, which is the central style panel. If I just hit that button, you've got the colors here. And this top section here, where it says Chico 1, underneath there's a number of color options. Now when I go to one of these, it'll change the entire template to whatever color option that I choose. So I'll pick an obvious one to start with, this green and black one. And as soon as I hit that, you see all of the text has turned black. This button here has turned green. And then the theme, as you go through the theme, you'll see that various things have changed depending on what I've chosen. So I'll show you this blue one here. Immediately the text here will change to blue and this color. So it makes it very, very quick to go ahead and change colors. Okay. There is other options here for the main accent and second accent. Again, you can go ahead and change individual elements. Once you've changed the entire template into whatever color you think is suitable, you can go ahead and change the elements within that template. And again, you've got the huge range of colors you can do that. And then once I go to the bottom here, if I just go to the general text tab and make it red, you'll see that if I click on the bottom here and the other template colors, the general text, I can change this text here will change to whatever color I'm choosing. The footer itself, this area underneath here, again I can change that to a different color. And then the lighter elements, again this text area here, that will change. Also lastly the button, so this button hover here, when I hover over the button I can go ahead and change that. So I think it gives you a lot of flexibility when you're designing your landing pages, exactly what kind of colors you want to make them. It's a lot quicker than the old way, having to individually change colors on different sections of the page. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the like below and subscribe to the channel. And again, if you're interested in knowing how you can make money by making these small tutorial videos, then please check out the description below. Have a great day.